Welcome friends, I am Muhammad Tahir Ahmed from computerfever.com. Friends, in previous video we have learned the usage of for loop, and in this video I will tell you about while loop, that how can we use the while loop. So first of all friend, I will save this page as a save as, and here I write while underscore loop .php. I have saved it. Now I will delete all the data, for loop data. Now I go to my Chrome browser and here I will open that while loop page. While underscore loop .php. Friend, this page has become empty once again. Now I go back to my Notepad++ code editor, and now here I make the while loop. So here, for making the while loop, first we write the variable. So in spite of writing for first we make the variable. I have made the variable on the name of num, mean dollar number. Dollar num is equal to 0. And now I will write while, then parentheses, and then curly brackets. And inside the parentheses I have called that dollar num variable, that dollar num less than 30. So here I will write dollar num not is equal to, here I have placed this increment sign, mean dollar num plus plus, mean you add something in 30, mean I have written if dollar, I have made a variable if dollar num is equal to 0, then I ran the while loop. I wrote here while parentheses, and inside the parentheses I wrote dollar num if dollar num less than 30. Then I have placed this increment sign above of dollar num plus plus. So here I call the echo, and I write here day number is concatenation sign dollar num concatenation sign once again, and here I put the beer tag. So now I go to my Chrome browser and refresh the page. So friend, you are watching that day number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 till 30, because in this way you can bring the day number for users. Because once again I will tell you that the method of making a while loop, in spite of writing for first, you will just make variable first on any name. I have just given this name for you, yeah, for example, so you could understand easily. I have made variable dollar num if dollar num is equal to 0, and here I wrote while and fancy dollar num less than 30. Obviously dollar num was is equal to or is equal to 0, so it is less than 30. If I write here 31, then it will not be less than 30, it will be greater than 30, because but I wrote here 0, it means dollar num is less than 30. Then I wrote dollar num increment plus plus to increment sign here and semicolon to close. Then you run this while loop from 1. Therefore this their number is beginning from 1 and it is ending at 30. So it has been stopped at 30 because I have given here 30. If I wrote here 31, then it will be stopped 31. So I go here and refresh the page. So now you are watching it is ending at 31. So now I will tell you the method of decrement. This was the method of while loop increment. By using increment, here I make one echo tag for making some line breaks, and I make 2 and 3 BR. Now I come down and I will copy this whole while loop and once again paste it down. So friend, here I change the $num2 and here I write the 30, and I also change the sign. This num is the greater than $num2 greater than 0, because obviously this $num is equal to 30, and if $num greater than 0, obviously it is greater than 0 because its value is 30 and I have given here 0. So now I will put here subtract sign. Now I have also changed to $num2, and here too I write $num2. Now I go to my Chrome browser and I refresh the page. Now it will begin from 29. You are watching that it is beginning from 29 because I have given here 30. So if I write here 31, then it will begin from 30, not from 29. So if I refresh the page, now you can see that now it is beginning from 30. Day number is 30 and it is ending at 0. So friend, in this way you can use both the method increment and method decrement for making while loop. I hope you would have understood that how can we make while loop very easily. Now I see you in next video.